Really how we need to continue building site engagement and try and work with the sites to get better interactions. I think also what the understanding what the MHRA is doing to speed up applications in the UK and giving us that UK focus. Those have been my two big takeaways so far.
I really enjoyed the patient session yesterday morning. The lady was so open with us and talked to us a lot about how she felt being the other side of our industry. And it gave me some real food for thought to go away and think how we integrate that patient experience.
Yeah.
I think the main thing is speed and being able to recruit enough patients. Our healthcare system is so overstretched at the moment, and we're seeing that in terms of recruitment, both of staff and patients into the clinical research space.
Absolutely, I think that's been the overwhelming message from those trying to do it, is there's the will to do it. At the moment, we're struggling with some of the speed elements of doing it, and there was no doubt, it's been reaffirmed in several of the talks, just the quality of research we can get here. So there's definitely the will, it's just how we do it and how we speed it to be competitive in a global market.
So I was talking about how the geopolitical landscape is changing nowadays, how gone are the days where you could take samples and data and move them around the globe with just a consent form from the patient. Now we have many regulations coming into play that are hindering progress in some ways and helping progress in others. So we now have lots more to think about when we're setting up global research in how we can move the data and the samples around the globe. It was really interesting yesterday. There was quite a cross-section of people in my session. So it was very diverse questions came at the end, and it was great to see lots of people engaging on this sort of rather dry regulatory topic.
So the roundtable later today is really, again, about very much site feasibility and also how do we engage our sites. So as a sponsor organisation, how do we make our protocols attractive and how do we help the sites extol the virtues of what we're trying to do so that we can reach out to those participants and really understand their needs, and we can only do that through close collaboration with the sites, and so really getting that site-to-site engagement with the sponsors and seeing it from their perspective is hopefully what the discussion will be around this afternoon.